In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Basecamp. This straightforward process will help you organize and manage your tasks efficiently. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you need to visit basecamp.com and sign in to your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy for a smooth sign-in experience. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Basecamp homepage, which is a hub for all your existing projects and various tasks. Here, you'll want to look for the option that says Make a New Project. It's usually prominently displayed, ensuring you have easy access to initiate new projects without any hassle. After clicking Make a New Project, you'll be prompted to enter your project details. This step is crucial as it sets the groundwork for your project. Begin by giving your project a clear and concise name. The name should reflect the project's objective, making it easily recognizable for you and your team. A good project name helps in distinguishing it amidst other projects you might be handling. Next, you have the option to add a description. Although this step is optional, it's highly recommended to fill in a brief overview that explains the purpose of the project. This description can be incredibly helpful for team members to understand the project's goals, especially for those who might join later or if you occasionally revisit the project. Moving on, it's time to choose your tools. Basecamp offers a variety of tools and you can toggle them on or off based on your project needs. Options like the message board, chat, schedule, and others are available to help you communicate and collaborate effectively with your team. It's a good practice to enable only the tools that are relevant to your project to keep everything clutter-free and focused. Finally, once you've entered all the necessary details and selected your tools, you'll want to click on Create this project. This action confirms your project setup, and you should now see your new project listed on your Basecamp homepage, ready for you to start adding content and tasks. Remember, creating a project is just the beginning. Be proactive in updating it with required information and involving team members to ensure your project runs smoothly. That's all there is to it. You've successfully created a project in Basecamp. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials like this one.